Hello, magandang araw sa lahat ng air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so today will be a special reading dahil birth month ko at dahil 3-3 ngayon. At kapag 3-3, syempre merong promo. So, mamimigay ako ng free personal Tagalog love reading sa tatlong lucky subscribers. Yung detalye ng promo, sasabihin ko sa end ng video. Okay, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong monthly reading at itatry kong itap ang energy ng lahat ng air signs, the collective, and I hope this will resonate. And just a reminder, since this is a collective reading, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. Okay? Kaya, kung natin pilitin po hindi, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. And I'm inviting you na mag-book na ng personal reading din. Kasi mas naka-align sa energy ninyo yung reading na yun. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck and try natin siyang interpret. Okay? Third card for March. Four of Swords. Queen of Swords. Six of Coins. Four of Coins. Ace of Cups. Okay. The World. The Chariot. Three of Coins. The Lovers. Okay. And High Priestess. Okay, ganda yung reading ninyo ha. Wala namang very conflict ako nakikita. Okay. Ayan, so nagsimula siya sa Four of Swords at nag-end siya sa the High Priestess. Okay? So there's a strong energy of Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Cancer, Gemini. Okay. So yung signs na nasabi ko, pwedeng yun yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Pwedeng iba din. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay, so interpret na natin. So, ngayong March, ang inyong love life and yung person ninyo. Okay. Okay, so, meron nangyari in the past that would require you na this month, kailangan yung mag-heal muna. Okay? You need to take a rest, you need to pause, have a break muna when it comes to this connection. But this connection is going to continue naman. Kailangan lang ng siguro sa first few days or weeks of March, kailangan nyo lang munang take a break. Parang ganun. Not break up take a break. Wait lang. Kung may issues kayo, conflict, kalma, take a break muna, magpalamig muna. Okay? Because this connection is, as shown here by the Queen of Swords, it requires firm boundaries kasi. So kung may mga nasagasaang boundaries na siya, kailangan nyo ang upuan muna, pag-isipan ng mabuti, kaya kailangan nyo munang kumalma and you really have to take a break para may time kayo to assess the situation. Okay? Pero itong person ninyo is very generous. Okay? Siya yung tao na laging nagbibigay kahit walang kapalit. Alam mo yun, and lagi niya nare-reciprocate whatever you give. Kung words man yan, it will be reciprocated. If it's gift, ito love languages to. It's reciprocated. Diba? Yung mga love languages, touch, service, time, it's well reciprocated. Okay? And medyo ano lang, seloso lang tong person mo. May pagkaseloso siya. And, well, gustong gusto ko nitong tao na to. And maybe because you're someone very attractive then, someone that people like a lot because of your good personality. Okay? And as shown here sa Ace of Cups, mahal ka ng tao na to. There's so much love in this connection. As shown here. Kaya yung sa simula lang na may mga issues siguro kayo. Siguro last month, kasi this is for March. Siguro last month may mga minimal issues lang naman. Kaya kailangan lang siyang pahupain. Diba? Pero there's so much love here as shown here by the Ace of Cups. Tapos sa baba may lovers pa. Pero daanan natin lahat. So Ace of Cups, there's so much love and so much happiness. Actually, itong relationship na to, you feel complete. Ano yan, parang kontento ka na. Happy ka. There's so much celebration. Yung feeling ba na okay na ako dito. I can settle down with this person. Parang ganun. Na yung ganung feeling. Ba? Kung bago-bago pa lang kayo sa relationship nyo, alam mo yun, you feel well taken care of. Ba? So, and itong relationship is really progressing to something even better. Diba? Parang nagtutuloy-tuloy siya. Hindi naman siya, alam mo yun, na parang on-off kind of relationship. May mga pause lang when it comes to issues na, yun nga, para lang hindi mag-act impulsively. Pero, I can see here that you and your person is uh, collaborating properly, as shown here also by the Three of Coins, which is a card of collaboration. So, you plan your life together, hindi yung parang isa lang yung susunod, isa lang yung uh, pinakikinggan. So, it's a collaborative effort. And, mahal nyo talagang isa't isa. Ito na, sinasabi na ng The Lover's card. There's no other explanation for it, but it's love. It's a union. It's, ano mo yun? Yun na yun eh. Um, na-confirm lang yung Ace of Cups dito na it's a love. It's a relationship full of love. Okay? And as shown here by the High Priestess, okay, na there's really a deep connection between the two of you. Okay? So, High Priestess is a card of deep connection and I love reading to. It's about being in love and being, alam mo yun, talagang yung connection ninyong dalawa ay malalim na. Marami na kayong napagdaanan, marami na kayong pagsubok na nalampasan, and yun nga, to the point na talagang masasabi niyong mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Okay? Sige, tingnan natin yung detalye pa ng mga ibang cards dito. Like, yung four of swords, ano yung mga Kailangan yung, bakit kailangan yung mag-take a break? Muna, ano ba yan? Ano yung kaganapan dyan? Kasi parang yun lang naman yung, and very minor siya. Okay? By the way, habang binabalasa ko tong card, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin by liking this video. Okay? Para mag-grow siya. Comment na rin sa comment section kung nag-resonate siya. And, of course, subscribe na po sa channel para mag-grow ang aking channel. At para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love reading. Sige. And so, para mag-improve na yung setup ko, lumaki-laki yung mesa. Ayan, salamat. Okay, third card. Ano ba to? Nine of Wands. Okay. So, meron lang sa inyo na takot maging vulnerable. Yung siguro yung issue is yung issue is someone na parang ayaw niyang masaktan kaya may mga bagay na hindi niya din basta-basta nasasabi or na-express. Pero kaya kailangan niya na pause muna para maupuan siya, ma-assess yung feelings na yon because okay naman eh. Kaya tulad nga ng sabi ko dito, it's full of love, full of reciprocation, diba? Pero tignan natin, bakit seloso to? Alamin nga natin. Curious ako eh. Oh, okay. The Hanged Woman, the Hanged Man. So, siguro yun nga, dahil nga parang may uncertainty sa relationship. I mean, mahal nyo yung isa't isa, okay? Just to clarify. Pero kasi, kaya siguro parang may pagkasiloso itong person na to kasi parang nafe-feel niya na uncertain ka sa kanya, which is hindi naman talaga. Mahalin mo siya, gusto mo siya, pero meron lang, I can sense na ikaw hindi mo lang talaga ma-express ng maayos at masabi ng maayos yung mga feelings mo. So, minsan na-misinterpret siya. Okay, so yun yung nasasagap ng energy. Na-misinterpret lang, but it doesn't mean na yun yung magkakos siya ng any issues. Kasi mahal niyo isa't isa, di ba? It's even happiness. And tingnan natin itong chariot. Ano ba itong nagpo-progress pa? Ayun, no, Ten of Cups. Di ba? Ten of Cups is commitment and settling down. Alam mo yun, yung mahal niyo isa't isa. Yan na, sinabi na ni Ten of Cups, it's love, it's reunion, it's emotional stability. You know, Ace of Cups, Ten of Cups, and the Lovers are all love energies. Punong-puno ng love talaga to. And very collaborative, teamwork, may teamwork sa relationship ninyo, mahal nyo sa isa. And there's so much deep, parang sobrang deep ng connection ninyo. Dagdagan pa natin ng double confirm. O diba, the star. Diba? O now, make a wish. Lumabas si star card. So, the star is something that you really hope for. Ito yung like, pinangarap mong relationship. Diba? So, this deep connection is something that you really hope for. Matagal na at dumating siya. So, diba? Good vibes, good vibes. Yan, claim nyo na tong energy na to. So, seal natin na lang itong reading with an oracle card. Because I don't need to say more. Ganda ng reading nyo. Air signs. Okay, so sana nag-resonate. Sana nakatulong. Okay, so what's the energy? Okay, third card. Thoughtfulness. Ayan. Did I see more? Yeah. Very thoughtful naman tong person ito. And then, I can sense naman that it is yun nga, there's reciprocation na nagaganap dito. So, yung pagiging thoughtful niya, na-reciprocate din ng pagiging thoughtful mo. Okay? So, claim this energy. Okay, comment nyo na below. At, dumating na tayo sa dulo ng video, kaya explain ko na yung promo. Okay, so for the promo, kung saan 3 lucky subscribers ang bibigyan ko ng free personal Tagalog love reading. Okay, ito yung mechanics. Okay, so first, dapat public subscribers kayo para makita ko sa list of subscribers yung username niyo. Kasi yun yung magiging basis ko for contacting. So second, like this video, okay? And comment na sa baba kung ano yung zodiac sign niyo kasi importante din to when I do the reading. Okay, lalo na it's a personal reading. So third, ikwento ninyo kung paano nag-resonate itong reading na ito sa inyo. So comment nyo yung sa inyo, saka yung story and why it resonated. So I will pick 1 Gemini, 1 Libra, and 1 Aquarius. Okay? Nabibigyan ko ng free personal Tagalog love reading. So yung reading, it will be a 30-minute video na i-record ko like this at ipapadala ko sa email. Kaya importante talaga yung username so para makontak kayo via email and doon i-discuss ko in detail kung paano yung personal reading. So may mga information din siyempre ako na gusto malaman before I do the reading. Alright? So, ayan. So, sana nakatulong. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Abangan nyo na lang. Dito lang yan sa akin channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!